it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today we're here with Skippa. Yeah, Skippa. You know what I say? I am Skippa's official reactor right now. You know that, right? So big up yourself, Skippa. Don't know. You show love, see him in the comment section. Big up yourself, my fam. Skippa, 3 days. That one drop a day ago. Me see it, but the energy they have to be up to react to them song. So we're gonna jump in that one and here with the GSA.
Pull up, yo! Pull up,
production keep here now one. Let's go.
I thought that we were meant to be. You took my heart and made it bleed. I gave you all my ecstasy. I told you'll be the death of me.
And this year I saw me taking sips, Jamaican pills don't hit, but me take it still. Take a trip to the vacant hill. Me and me dopey listen to some deep pain and chill. So me put it all on the line now. They on the same call for a while now. I tell them me did that fall, but me fine now. I 3 days not the studio. Same clothes, change flows. We feel pain, but only God he knows. Not for listen my thing and not for click repost. Got my skull selling God, check just come through. Mother worry about.
Pull up, yo! Pull up! Let's go again.
Hold on. Boss, I tell you, say, listen. Even if you not click on me for them, even if you not support my music, even if you not repost me still I make money. You know why? Because this call them still active. Bankroll, big up.
And this year I saw me taking sips, Jamaican pills don't hit, but me take it still. Take a trip to the vacant hill. Me and me dopey listen to some deep pain and chill. So me put it all on the line now. They on the same call for a while now. I tell them me did that fall, but me fine now. I 3 days not the studio. Same clothes, change flows. We feel
3 days not the studio. Same clothes, change floors. So I'm going to tell him in the studio and I'm going to find be different floors. But guess what? He don't have time for sleep. In the have time for beard and change him clothes. Because he might work, he might put in the work. Because he know what time it is.
I 3 days not the studio. Same clothes, change floors. We feel pain, but only God he knows. Not for listen my thing and not for click repost. Got my skull selling God, check just come through. Mother worry about the things I do. She said no stay in my place, she said it just preach though. Oh, me a boy can't change. But no worry, cause him born with a rage. Fuck you reach me, no matter, me try flip it beer. I let me feel it to my heart, look like me no care. Manager calls if it work, but my craft on stage. A couple million clutch back when I for show it up. Big old man, I text my phone, I say me growing up. Little brother tune in, I say him bro, the fuck. Until I'm in, no need nobody. Just you weed and lean on Molly. Pop a pill, turn off the feelings in my body. Feelings in my body. Tell her we don't need nobody. We don't need nobody. Feelings in my yeah, and it's serious, so me taking sips. Jamaican pills don't hit, but me take it still.
Wait.
And it's serious, so me taking sips. Jamaican pills don't hit, but me take it still.
Jamaican pills don't hit, but him take it still.
And it's serious, so me taking sips. Jamaican pills don't hit, but me take it still. Take a trip to the vacant hill. Me and me dopey listen to some deep pain and chill. And so me put it all on the line now. They on the same call for a while now. I tell you say me did that fall, but me fine now. And I would give you my all. I probably still would. And if me don't pop a pill, me no feel good. It's Skippa than life, nice and money real good. Hey, X fly past quick and I go see him good. So me put it all on the line now. They on the same call for a while now. Tell us say me did that fall, but me fine now.
Can't play this 1 and 2 times. Come on, bro. Skippa this, you know. I Skippa this, you know. Boss, wake up in the hills. Rich, look at that entertainment. Big up yourself. Bankroll visuals. Big up yourself.
death of me.
Yeah.
And this year I saw me taking sips, Jamaican pills don't hit, but me take it still. Take a trip to the vacant hill. Me and me dopey listen to some T-Pain and chill.
So NSC raw, some taking. So basically, the Jamaican pill don't hit, but him taking it still. Is he talking about medication to heal his pain? Or him a talk about something else? Him a talk about a different pill.
Take a trip to the vacant hill. Me and me dopey listen to some T-Pain and chill. So me put it all on the line now. The pan the same call for a while now. Me tell you say me did a fall, but me find out. A 3 days not the studio. Same clothes, change flows. We feel pain, but only God he knows. Not for listen my thing and not for click repost. Got my skull selling gotcha, just come through. Mother worry about the things I do. She said no stay in my place, she said fi just preach too.
Just preach too.
Oh me a boy can't change. But no worry cause him born with a rage. Fuck you reach me no matter how me try fi prepare.
Oh me a boy can't change. Remember saying born with a rage, you know. You see me? Yeah.
But no worry cause him born with a rage. Fuck you reach me no matter how me try fi prepare.
The man say, yo, no matter how him try to prepare, you still a reach him. Fuck you always a reach him cause him try to prepare, but he just find him anyway him there.
But no worry cause him born with a rage. Fuck you reach me no matter how me try to prepare. Let me feel it to my heart look like me no care. Manager calls if I work but my craft on stage. A couple million clutch back when I for show it up. Big old man that takes my phone I say me growing up. Little brother tune in I say him bro the fuck. Until now he no need nobody. Just a weed and lean on Molly. Pop a pill turn off the feelings in my body. Feelings in my body. Tell her we don't need nobody. Weed and lean on Molly. Feelings in my. Yeah, and it's serious, so me taking sips. Jamaican pills don't hit, but me take it still. Take a trip to the vacant hill. Me and me dopey listen to some T-Pain and chill. And so me put it all on the line now. They pan the same call for a while now. Me tell you say me did a fall, but me find out. And I would give you my all.
Yeah.
I'm probably still would. And if me don't pop a pill, me no feel good. It's Skippa than life, nice and money real good. X fly past quick and I go see good. So me put it all on the line now. They pan the same call for a while now. Tell you say me did a fall, but me find out.
Yeah. Bad artist. Bad artist. The boss confident with it too. Boss I tell you say yo, you know if you click on my song, them I repost them. Them have them true fans and them true supporters them out there. We always gonna do that for him. If that no work, they on the call for a while now. Remember saying sitting at the studio for 3 days straight. Same clothes, different floors. Know that. Skippa, big up yourself, bro. Bankroller Visuals. Bankroller Visuals, big up yourself, man. And production team behind the one. Skippa! What can I say, man? Skippa fans them. Want to gather one place in the comment section. Just gather. Just gather in the comment section. Yeah, just gather in the comment section and do the right thing. Who know what to do already? You see me? Yeah. Me have one problem with one I line them still, bro. A couple I line them, but the pill line. I wish the artists them would stop promote the pill thing, dog. Get back to the herbs, brother. Get back to the real weed. Get back to Jamaica. Jamaica is known for weed, bro, not mollies and shit, dog. Like, I wish the artists them would just do that. You see me? Yeah. I have to be true to myself, dog. I have to say it as it is. You see me? What can I say now? Big up yourself, Skippa. Big up yourself. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip corner.